Hello, people. You've been here before. Welcome back. This is the first time you're here. Welcome to my channel. That's Ortopenia, and this is a series of video tutorials for students who want to get a better score in the TOEFL test. Now, we've been working with written and structured written expression section of the TOEFL test. So let's go on and move on to skill 45. Skill 45. This check pronoun reference for agreement. This is something that we have worked with also in the reading comprehension section. But okay. Just that you have checked that the subject and the object pronouns in the possessed and the possessive are used correctly, you should also check each of these pronouns and possessives for agreement. The following are examples of errors of this type that you might find on the test. The boss will cause trouble if you let him. Everyone must give their name. In the first example, the singular pronoun him is incorrect because it refers to the plural noun, the boys. So if it's the boys, plural, will cause trouble if you let them. Pronoun should be replaced with them. In the second example, the possessive adjective there is incorrect because it refers to the singular everyone. This adjective should be replaced with the singular his or her. Okay, so here's a chart that outlines what you should remember about checking pronoun reference. Be sure that every pronoun and possessive agrees with the noun that it refers to, and you need to check back in the sentence for agreement, right? So we identified the pronoun, we have to go back and see what is it that we're talking about. Okay, so here's the exercise. Each of the following sentences contains at least one pronoun or possessive. Circle the pronoun or possessive, draw an arrow to the noun that refer to, then indicate if the sentences are correct or incorrect. Get examples. Number one, if a person really wants to succeed, they must always look hard or hard. So we got they going back to a person, so it's incorrect. So person is singular and they is plural. So it should be, if a person really wants to succeed, he or she must always look hard. Number two, if you see the students from the math class, could you return their exam papers to them? Right there, exam papers, students, to the students, to them. So this is correct. Okay, so now is the time for you to pause the video, complete the exercise, then come back and check your answers. Okay, now that you're back, let's see. Some friends and I want to see a movie, and afterwards, we wrote a critique about them, about the movie. Movie is singular, so it should be it. That's incorrect. If you have a problem, you're welcome to discuss it with me before you try to solve them. Okay, discuss it, problem, solve them. So we have a problem here. Them is plural, it should be singular. So it should be it. I know you had a terrible time last week, but you must try to forget about it. This is correct. Times not countable. At the start of the program, each student needs to see his advisor about his schedule. So his advisor, his schedule, each student is correct. In spite of its small size, these video recorders produce excellent tapes. Okay, so its small size is connected to video recorders, which is plural. So it should be in spite of their small size, video recorders produce excellent tapes. This is a special case because usually we go back in the sentence, but in this case we have to go forward. Whatever the situation, you should reflect profoundly about them before coming to a decision, right? Whatever the situation is singular, and them is plural, so it should be reflect profound about it before going to a decision. The people I admire most are those who manage to solve their problems. So this is correct. If anyone stops by while I am in the meeting, please take a message from them. them, anyone, that's singular. So it should be from him or her. Okay, so look at those answers. Check what you did. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I'll get back to you. So if you found this useful, give it a thumbs up. It really helps the YouTube algorithm. Consider subscribing to the channel so it gets bigger and stronger. And if you know anybody that can benefit from this material, please share it with them. It's free and it's available online. So that's it. See you in the next video.